Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I want to talk to you guys about the strategy that I'm using for the purple flame indicator. For those that are in the trading group, you know we use the 1 minute chart and the 5 minute expiration. For people that aren't in the trading group, you can see my the link to my blog at the bottom of the video in the description. It's more information about the trading group. But anyways, let's go ahead and get right into it. I have a couple rules that I use when I'm excuse me, when I'm trading the purple flame. I don't sit here and try to take every single signal that comes, but instead I filter out the signals by using other indicators to confirm. So there's various indicators that you can use. You got the stochastics, and for this particular video, we're going to use the MACD on the standard settings. All right. As you can see on my setup here, the up arrows, the up candles are white and the down candles are purple. Okay, same, the colors match on the MACD, so you need to make sure your colors match. So rule number one is I like for the arrows to show up at either the top or the bottom. And what I mean by that is I like a series of candles leading up to that signal. So so right here we have a series of bullish candles, a series of up candles, and then we have selling signals. That's usually what I like to see. Okay. Also right here you can see there's a series of up candles, and then we have a selling signal, a series of down candles, and then we have a buying signal. So we're usually not paying attention to the signals that are in between. Those tend to be false signals, so we go ahead and ignore those. So that's rule number one. Rule number two is I need my confirmation for the trade, and for this video we're using the MACD, and as you can see, the MACD matches my candles, so we need everything to match up and line up together. So when we get the signal, we want the MACD to be matching that signal. So we have a purple arrow, purple candle. Now we need the MACD to be purple. Once all those are matching, we'll go ahead and take the trade. So right here, you guys can see that the MACD did not confirm the trade. Okay, it didn't even change colors until 1, 2, 3 or 4 candles later. That's too much. That's too much time. Okay, I usually like for the confirmation to occur within the first 2 or 3 candles. Okay, if it takes too long for the confirmation, I go ahead and just forget the trade. All right. So this trade right here, this signal, we would have ignored because the confirmation took too long to come. So we did get another selling opportunity here, and then that's rule number one. It's at the top, so go ahead and check that off. Now rule number two is the confirmation from the MACD within the first 3 candles. So let's see, it happened in the next candle. The confirmation from the MACD happened in the next candle, so we go ahead and enter the trade on here. 5 minutes going down, it probably would have ended in a winner. I don't know, these are Heikin-Ashi candles, so they do look a little bit different, but it probably would have ended in a winner, as a winner. Sorry. Moving along, let's see, we have a series of down candles right here. Okay, and then we have a buy signal. So that's rule number one. We got that checked off. Now let's look for our confirmation from the MACD right here. Let's go ahead and line it up. We got it in the next candle. Confirmation came, MACD turned white. So we're gonna go ahead and take this up for 5 minutes. 5 minutes probably would have ended in a winner. All right. So we have a signal right here. Rule number one, series of up candles, and we have a selling signal right here. So rule number one, we check that off. Now let's look at the MACD for the confirmation. We didn't get it in the first 3 candles, so we go ahead and move on. Right, we're not going to take this up signal, right, because it's going against rule number one. We're looking for selling signals at the top. buying signals at the bottom, right? So this is going to go ahead and ignore that one anyways. Now we have another sell signal here. Let's go ahead and line it up with the MACD. You can see the MACD turned the same color. So we go ahead and take the trade. 5 minutes going down. Winner. Okay. So guys, you know, it's self-explanatory. I think you guys get the hang of it now. Here's one more signal right here. We have a series of down candles here, and then we have our up arrow. Now we're waiting for rule number 2, waiting for our confirmation. Here's our confirmation right here, the MACD. It happened in the first 2 candles, so that's valid. We go ahead and take it up for 5 minutes. All right, 5 minutes. There's another winner. All right. So, you know, guys, that's pretty much it. That's what I usually do. Like I said, I don't sit here and try to take every single signal that comes. It doesn't work like that. And, you know, you can't expect for any indicator out there to do that for you, where you just sit, you know, you just sit here and take every single signal that comes and you'll be rich. It doesn't work like that. And if there is an indicator out there like that, we certainly wouldn't know about it, right? That person would not share it to the public. Okay, so go ahead and throw that myth out of the window. All right, we don't want to sit here and take every single signal that comes, but instead we want to filter out those signals by using confirmation indicators. All right, so guys, you know, that's pretty much it. I'll be putting out some more videos, taking some live trades using the Purple Flame. But in this video, I kind of wanted to break it down for you so you can see exactly what I'm doing. All right. This video will be posted on my blog as well. Okay. But if you guys have any questions, email me. I will get back to you as soon as I possibly can. And until then, guys, I'll catch you later.